everybody. So, I don't know what the technical term is. I would call this banding. You can see this is just absolutely crazy. This rocket is got curves on the fins, and it just has this very consistent banding throughout the print. You can almost measure it to be these exact amounts. It's crazy. I lubricated the Z-rods. Everything looked pretty good. I had to actually take a little bit more of a look. So when you go in here, let's just see if we can go to about 200 on there. Give me enough time to walk around. So everything looks good. It's moving up. And there, look at this bad boy when you look up close. I've never seen anything like it before. And if you look at the bar, you can actually see this Z-rod or Z-screw actually has a very slight bend in it. Looks like about right here where you can see it just so slightly moving back and forth just a little bit. But man, that motor, that's crazy. And that sucker is bolted in there too. So, absolutely insane. Anyway, thanks for watching.